Hey folks, if you're planning on venturing into the wilds of Dartmoor, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm sharing 20 essential tips to make your wild camping experience safe and enjoyable. First off, consult the Dartmoor Camping Map. This helps you camp in the permitted areas and avoid those pesky prohibited zones. Next, stay out of sight. Camp at least 100 meters away from roads and dwellings. It's not just about privacy, it's about respecting the space. When choosing your campsite, avoid floodplains, marshy areas, archaeological sites, and farmland. Higher ground is your best friend to avoid any unexpected swimming sessions. Be aware of military ranges. Check firing times and steer clear during live exercises. Trust me, you don't want to wake up to the sound of artillery fire. Use a lightweight tent. Small backpacking tents are easier to carry and blend into the landscape seamlessly. Leave no trace. Take all litter home, bury human waste at least 15 centimeters deep, and keep water sources clean. We want to keep Dartmoor beautiful, right? Fire safety is crucial. Don't light open fires or BBQs. Use a camping stove on a stable surface instead. Check the weather forecast. Dartmoor's weather can be as unpredictable as my grand's mood. Be prepared for all conditions. Pack essential gear. Waterproof clothing, a first aid kit, a trowel for waste, and a power bank for emergencies should be on your list. Travel light. Carry only what you need to minimize impact and make your journey easier. Your back will thank you. Respect wildlife. Avoid disturbing animals, especially during breeding seasons, and never feed Dartmoor ponies. Keep the wild, wild. Use natural shelter. Camp near rock outcrops to shield from wind and weather. Stay hydrated. Carry sufficient water and consider water purification methods if needed. Inform someone of your plans. Always let someone know your route and expected return time for safety. Avoid peak areas. Camp in less frequented spots to reduce impact and maintain solitude. A little peace and quiet never hurt anyone. Pack out waste. Bring a spare bag for rubbish and dispose of it responsibly. Be prepared for ticks. Use insect repellent and check for ticks regularly. Better safe than sorry. Use navigational skills. Dartmoor's vastness requires good map and compass skills to navigate safely. Set up camp at dusk and leave early. It helps maintain stealth and reduces impact. Finally, respect the environment. Follow the Countryside Code and the Backpack Camping Code to protect Dartmoor's natural beauty. So remember these tips, and you'll have an amazing and responsible wild camping experience in Dartmoor National Park. Happy camping! If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more outdoor adventures. Happy camping!